ready to walk to Mommy. Come on. Nope, you gotta stand up first. Now you're in a hurry, huh? Go see Dada. Get settled. Hang on. You wanna come back? You gotta stand up for a second and get settled. Okay, there you go. Where you going? You camera hog. Is that funny? Come on. You're scaring me now. You go see Dada? Come on, little strutter. Yay!
Good job.
Say yay!